Episode 5: Simple Data Entry plus AI Automation. Earn as a digital helper. If you feel you're not techie, no problem. Here's the easiest AI hustle: data entry made smart. Step 1. Offer to clean or organize data for NGOs, teachers, or small businesses. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to reformat lists or Google Sheets, plus AI functions. Step 3. Charge per project, $10 to $100 depending on size. Step 4. Deliver via Google Drive. Automation isn't replacing you. It's freeing your time to earn smarter. Now you've seen 5 ways to make your first $100 online with AI. Start with one hustle. Comment which one you're trying first and grab my free guide of 5 AI hustles any African student can start with $0 in the link below. Let's build Africa's digital future, one student at a time. You're welcome to subscribe, share with your classmates, and tag at AfricanAIAuntie when you start your first hustle.